Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, April 12th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for information about our firm's outplacement support services. As a leading boutique provider of outplacement services in the United States, Employment Boost is uniquely positioned to help individuals land on their feet and find a new job quickly and effectively after a corporate layoff. Now on to today's headlines. It's a slow day in layoff news, and that's a good thing. But there are a couple of things to mention. So HyLife Foods, which is a pork processing plant located in a small town of Windham, Minnesota, will be selling its facility, and in doing so cannot guarantee employment for its workers beyond that. So it's likely that 1,000 workers will be laid off, which in a small town like that has the potential to be pretty devastating. And also, Windsor Locks Mattress Factory, which is located in Connecticut, will be closing early this August, resulting in about 157 people being laid off, according to a notice filed with the Connecticut Department of Labor. And in some other labor market news, a report from the Wall Street Journal highlights some possible ramifications from companies learning just how well many jobs could be performed remotely thanks to the pandemic, and say that the next wave of remote work is about outsourcing jobs overseas. So once companies realized how productive employees could be working remotely, the light bulbs kind of went off and they realized they could save a lot of money by outsourcing these roles. In fact, according to Stanford economist Nick Bloom, it is possible that we could see up to 20% of U.S. service support jobs, including things like software development, human resources, payroll administration, moving overseas within the next decade.